Hi, welcome back. Riya here. So I'm back with a new topic, and today's topic is what is business automation. Now this topic is basically I'm going to explain as a no voice, like to a person who don't know anything about the automation. So first of all, this is for someone who is already running business and is fed up of the process his business has. Now, for example, my husband is running a business and he has to take lot of calls in the day. He has to do different work in a day. He has to assign the work to different people every day. Now, there are a lot of tasks which he is doing again and again in a day. Every day he is repeating the task. Now, wherever the task is getting repeated, on that point, the automation can be bought. So what is business automation? When you want to remove the repetition of the task and when you want to put the automation, the process is known as business automation. So to make the basic task which can be repeated out of the process and to make the person who is making decision observe the complete process and to take the decision on the top level, the business automation is needed. So the traditional business making process was different. Now the automation is must for every business and every business owner should have it. Even the small business owner as well as the large business owner can have automation in their business. Now let's see what are the steps to get it. First of all, you have to think what are the processes which are there in your company. For example, we have our company and in that I'll tell what are the process. So for example, we have a body manufacturing company, that is truck or tempo body manufacturing company. So what happens basically when the customer comes, we have to take the detail of the customer. Okay, so here while taking the detail, instead of just writing on the page, so the detail will go somewhere. What we can do, we can take the detail and put it in our system. So initially the person himself first is entering the system. Now the next process is the person asks for the type of vehicle he wants, the type of vehicle body he wants. If he wants for the big vehicle or the small vehicle, he will tell the model number. So from that, just if they click on the model number, they will get examples or they will get the photos of that. So this will be the next automation which can be added. You can just send a link. If they click on the link, they'll get the images of the vehicle which they want to make, of the body which they want. So this is a kind of automation which is added. Now next is once they understand like what they need to make, then they decide on the pricing. So for every different vehicle, the prices, there should be fixed market price or there should be some variable pricing limit which should be added in the system. So that system will show the price that this body or this product, specific product, will be priced from this to this. So once the price is shown, the person can decide on that. Then there can be some interference of the person or the manager who can explain about the complete thing, the complete body or what the person is getting. Even they will get the list on the about the process, like what all things will be added in the vehicle, how it will be made. Now the next process is once it is done. So this was external process. Now let's see what is internal process. Once the person gets the order, so what they can do, they can ask the body makers to make it. They can ask the laborers that we have got this. Now what next should be done, there should be a list of the material and there should be tick box over there. So whatever the person has told, the manager or supervisor, what they can do, they can just have a tick and give it to the next person. Now once the next person takes this, instead of having conversation and spending lot of time, from the list itself the person will understand what is needed in this card. So what they can do, they can just start working on it. Then as soon as they get it, what it should happen from the system itself, this model needs this much material, so it should be automatically ordered from the suppliers. So the order should be gone automatically to the supplier. Now after this, the next process can be, once this is done, So the color of the paint and whatever should be written on the that vehicle should be sent to the painting department, and after painting department there should be a notice that the vehicle is completed in deadline or it's not getting completed in deadline. That should be given. Then manager will give notification on the system itself, and the customer will get the notification that it's been done, and they can come to get the vehicle. Again, at the point when they come to get the vehicle, what they can do, we can have a OTP, and the same person we can verify, yes, this is the right person and they have done all the payments, and then the vehicle should be handed over to that person. So this is the process in which the business owner is not needed. The complete process can be automated and it can be made very efficient. So this is how the automation can be added. So it's very much important for each and every business owner to add automation. So first understand what are the processes in your business so you can automate. After understanding, try which system you can add in it, or you can even take help from the market. There are a lot of people who are helping, who are giving the system to automate your business. And the next thing is you have to start applying it. Now the only process or the only thing the owner should do is he should do decision making. So the only part remains to the person should be decision making. Lot of the burden should be gone to the lower levels, and even if anyone is leaving the company, what will happen, even someone else comes, he should be trained on the system only, and once he understands the system, he will get everything in front of him, like what was the past data and how the process works. So it gets very easy if you add automation in your business. The numbers help person to understand their growth and the growth of business. So the system helps you to grow, and also system helps you to understand where is the leakage of your business. So it's important to add automation in your business. So this is all about business automation. Thank you so much. If you find this video to be useful, if you resonate with my thoughts, you can be part of my VIP Facebook group. Thank you so much.